Loosen the nut with a 9mm wrench. Release the brake cable. Pull down the derailleur. Loosen the screw here. Remove the gear. Remove the other gear by same method. Loosen the nut here. Remove the screw. The new derailleur needs to install the gear. Put the screw from downside. Insert the washer. Put in the sleeve. Thread through the small gear. Insert the washer. Arrange the chain around the sprocket as shown in the video. Remember that the direction of the chain matters. Install the cover. Align the holes. And tighten the screws. Secure the derailleur to the frame. Close the gap here. Then tighten the screws. Lower the derailleur. Hang the chain on the front sprocket. Insert the chain into position for all the gears. Shift to the 7th gear and place the chain on the smallest sprocket. This step is crucial, as it prevents incorrect gear shifting later on. Reinstall the brake cable and secure it under the nut. Use pliers to tighten the brake cable. Then lock the nut. For the screw here, secure it without tightening. It only needs to protrude 1 or 2 mm from the bottom. Adjust the chain to the first gear, the largest sprocket. Then tighten the screw here until it protrudes 2 mm from the bottom. Make the 4th gear as a reference point, if the chain failed to shift to the 3rd, 2nd, or 1st gear. Please turn the nut counterclockwise here. Just a slight loosening is sufficient. Then, tilt the e-bike, shift the weight onto the kickstand, rotate the pedals until the chain smoothly transitions to the gear. Repeat this adjustment process. Look! It successfully shifted to the 1st gear. If the chain failed to shift to the 5th, 6th, or 7th gear, then turn the nut clockwise here. Similarly, rotate the pedals until the chain smoothly transitions to the previous gear. Repeat this adjustment process several times until the functionality is normal.